Monday morning, and yesterday I published Driven Diary number 95. I am sorry it took an extra week to get it out. Like I said in that video, personal issues, I'm not ready to talk about them yet. They're not ongoing necessarily. I'm feeling good enough mentally to record and post Driven Diary episodes documenting my life, but I'm not going to document everything. So that's what's going on with that. And now it's Monday morning. This guy next to me is not making the turn he should be making at this right on red situation. So it's Monday morning. I've spent the whole day just yelling at people so far. All customer service people that I feel like I'm needing to like reach through the phone, grab them, and like point them exactly where I need them to click a freaking button so that I can get on with my damn life. And it feels like that. It feels like just feeling held back, feeling restricted, feeling just all kind of unsure, uncertainty, all the rest of it. I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what I'm doing. Morale is low, but on the whole, morale is actually pretty good. Like I said in last week's video, June is the best month we've ever had, the highest level of profit we've ever had, the best sales month we've ever had. San Ramon is really setting the pace. Alex is doing a great job up there. The other shops have some things to learn and some more cars in demand to get in to have the opportunity to crank as hard as San Ramon does. San Ramon did 117 cars in June, so which is awesome. I am now headed to San Francisco, and I'm in the truck. I'm gonna go home right now, trade out the truck for the Explorer, and then head to San Francisco to get a tattoo. But before I do that, I'll explain one thing. The reason I'm in the truck is because I dropped off the Passat back at the shop. A couple little, in British terminology, snagging items that need to be addressed on that build for the interior swap to be complete. I have a new shift boot and knob. The driver's window, you may be able to hear it on this truck at the same time, but it's the window won't roll up all the way. The steering wheel's making a weird noise, and the ambient temp sensor is reading like 100 degrees pretty much all the time. So I don't know what's up with that, but I'm in the truck as my loaner, and I am headed home. Gonna get the Explorer, so I have something comfortable to drive home in tonight. After what is going to be an 8-hour tattoo session, getting a half sleeve on my left arm. It's a half sleeve that is covering, it's encapsulating the word driven that I have tattooed right here in Lamborghini font, which I got 11 years ago. It's taken that and it's adding onto it the mountain that my son is named after and the waterfall that my daughter is named after. So I'm excited to be able to get that going today and finish it up tomorrow. So that'll be good. And yeah, keeping busy. The police are out in force, honestly. That's another thing I'll mention. I just drove past a CHP officer. Here's another one. So I don't know what's going on, but it's a lot of it. I'm just trying to drive my old work truck home here. Don't mind me. Definitely going 68 miles an hour. But I'm filming myself while I'm driving, so I don't know, whatever. It's good to talk on Driven Diary again. That's all for now. Wednesday morning, and I'm on my way from Campbell to San Ramon. Important work being done here. I have a center pull paper towel roll that I'm dropping off in San Ramon. Because they've never had paper towels in the bathroom for the whole time we've been in business there. So, getting some center pulls up to them. First, I'm making a stop at a potential Driven Performance Advisors client. This is something that I'm still a bit torn on whether I really should be doing with my time, but I think it'll help with cash flow, with making more money, frankly. And as it stands, I'm just trying to continuously optimize the 3 shops that we have. I was going to do that anyways. I looked at getting in a 4th shop and expanding very rapidly with that, but I have since opted not to do that. I do want a 4th shop this year, but that opportunity that I found was not going to work out for me. So going to talk to a potential client here for DPA, and then gonna go drop off some center pull paper towels in San Ramon, because I mean that's my job right now as the owner, is a bunch of random little logistical things, and just making things better, telling the guys what to focus on, just keeping a lookout over where we're going and what we're doing and what's going on. That's all for now. All right.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Driven Diary.
Oh God! All right, yeah. So we're doing some reels, and this is what it looks like behind the scenes. My dead cat.
Yes.
Here. Some inspiration here. You can figure out what that means later. Go to my Instagram. Go to my Instagram. Do you follow me on Instagram? You can follow me on Instagram. Did you know you can follow me on Instagram? Did you know we have a podcast?
Where can they follow us on Instagram?
I'm a Driven Auto CEO.
Hamilton.Snyder. Check me out.
See you on the next clip here in this YouTube video that's 15 minutes long. Bye. Okay. It is Friday morning, and I'm trying to bring the old trusty AC machine from Fremont, the oldest AC machine we have, to Campbell, where we, I guess, have an older AC machine, but it is broken. And this one was functional when I left Fremont. I don't know if it is anymore, but we are going to try. The whole head of the unit fell off. It was hanging on by the cables. So I hope that stays in place now. You can see it up there. That thing fell off. It fell off. It knocked the old green leak detection dye out of it. So I pulled over on the side of the road, put it back together. Hands are covered in refrigerant dye. The back of it fell off again, as you can see. I think I'm just gonna keep going. I might have 2 fully broken AC machines by the end of this, so that's fun. Anyways, almost to the Campbell shop. Is what it is. We've already got the service technician for the AC coming in on Monday, so maybe we'll have them fix both. Yay. Update. Still Friday. It's the afternoon now. AC machine was in fact not catastrophically broken. Did require a couple of wiring, plug things back in where they're supposed to be plugged in deal. And it worked, and there was freaking dye all over the place, and the guys cleaned up the truck, and I am very grateful to the boys at the Campbell shop for handling that so quickly and making my day not feel quite so dim. And then I went to an AA meeting, and then I got a haircut. Call it a self-care day, I guess. And now I'm in the cop car again, the Explorer here. I left the truck in the Campbell shop so that the guys could bring the AC machine back up themselves. And then, what else did I do? I feel like I did something else. I'm in the Explorer, going home, or going back to Fremont. I've been doing a little more micromanaging. I don't know how I feel about that. I feel like I'm getting involved in a few too many repair orders And maybe I'm being a little too hard on the guys or inconsistent with my managerial style. I don't know. Maybe they can comment below. Please don't. Just tell me if anybody who works for me watches these. Yeah, that's about all I got. Just Friday afternoon. The week started off very slow. It picked up just in terms of closing jobs out, getting big approvals that result in higher levels of proficiency for the guys. Not that you know what that means, but yeah. Still somewhat dealing with the personal matter, I guess. I'll just mention that as well. I just, you know, I don't always know what the right path to take is, and when I'm presented with multiple options that could appear correct, it can be difficult to kind of weigh out which one is actually correct, and it leaves you making no decision and kind of being frustrated by the fact that you make no decision. And it's a personal issue. I don't focus on my personal life very much. I don't do very much with my personal life, and that's probably part of the problem. But yeah, it's been weighing on me for a while, and continues to do so. That's it. That's all for now. My name is Arun Kumar, and I am the driver. You're watching Driven Diary, episode 96. Driven Diary is the documentation of my life as I build a billion-dollar automotive service business called Driven Auto Care. We currently have 3 locations in the San Francisco Bay Area, and I'm growing this company until we reach $1 billion valuation through acquisition and continuing to double in size in terms of number of locations every year. That is our goal, and the reason for that goal is because I believe $1 billion valuation will give us a good measuring point for if we've made a dent in the perception of the automotive service industry. This is an industry that frankly needs a complete revitalization of the customer experience, and I believe I'm the guy to do it. And so you get to come along on the journey, because I think a lot of entrepreneurs don't document what early stage, mid stage, day to day really looks like. And so you see the highlights, you maybe see some low lights, but the day to day and what it really looks like is what I'm here to document. And, you know, frankly, if I succeed, this is the roadmap. That's what we're going for when I succeed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. In this week's video, there's both automotive service, like business owner errands that I'm running, but I also continue to talk about some of the personal struggles that I'm going through. I'm still not going into too much detail, but it has affected these videos and my ability to output them. So I'm trying to keep up with that. But it's important for me to kind of give you a holistic picture of what it looks like going on in my head, what it looks like going on in the world around me. And I want to be able to be as transparent as possible with you guys. So with all that said, hope you enjoy the video. And that's it for Driven Diary episode 96. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed me getting covered in AC leak detection dye. That was quite a highlight, if you want to call it that. If you enjoyed the episode, leave a like so we show up higher in the YouTube algorithm. If you have any questions or feedback, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss next week's Driven Diary. And until next week, I hope you can go out and continue to pursue your own automotive dreams and stay driven.